I'm Volodya Voronel, a serial entrepreneur with expertise in business development and fundraising for early-stage deep tech startups. My current startup, Electrivol, is based on patented technology developed in the Ben-Gurion University Solar Center. It is solar-thin films with very high efficiency and low manufacturing costs, which means we can produce more electricity than the competition on the same area, and all this at a price that is lower than the state of the art. We propose to use our technological breakthrough for solar coating on the walls of high-rise buildings, not windows, but walls. Our coatings will collect photovoltaic electricity for use in these buildings, thus making them zero-energy buildings. Buildings which produce more energy than they consume. 90% of the developed world population spend 90% of their lives inside buildings. In case of electricity outage, it is impossible to stay in building for long. No elevators, water, heating, cooling. Actually, without electricity in buildings, modern civilization cannot function. It depends on electricity. Buildings consume about a third of the energy used in the developed world and are responsible for 20% of anthropogenic greenhouse gases emissions. But today, energy production on buildings is negligible. Renewable energy facilities occupy vast areas per kilowatt hour compared to fossil fuels facilities. We want to use the meanwhile unused vertical-oriented real estate on building walls for clean, renewable, non-polluting electricity generation without competition on ground areas. High-rise building numbers are huge and growing. In New York alone, there are over 7,000 such buildings. In Hong Kong and Seoul, even more. There are laws that require all new buildings to be zero-energy ones, and soon all buildings should be zero-energy buildings, which means the old buildings should be retrofitted. In developed countries, there are benefits for installation of renewable energy sources for buildings. Now, what we'd like to receive from you? We need a strategic marketing plan for our venture. What do we sell? Maybe not systems, but electricity. What are our customers? Which countries are the first to approach? Do we establish our own installation facility or use outside companies to install our systems in buildings? We'd like to receive a detailed analysis of this market for use of our unique technology by country, depending on benefits and solar intensity. Thank you.